So, good morning, everyone. Today it is morning time, and I also promised to you that every single day I will make a blog, and this blog I will try to talk with you about nature, about whatever I am watching, and whatever I am feeling, I will try to describe and discuss with you. And in this way, we will learn English language naturally, and we will give a demo, and will give a proof how we can learn English language naturally. But today, I have not gone outside for morning work due to in our masjid from Uttarakhand on Islamic Tabligh Jamaat, they have come, and for management of them I was busy. And morning time I could not go there, and I should go there because I should not uh, break the consistency, but we want. But sometime we are busy, we are not able to follow the consistency. So for this reason I am also trying to talk with you uh, in this way, what is possible for me, and how can I follow the consistency, and how can I make this video continuously, and how can I come front of you, because only making good quality of video is not enough, but when we will do practice every single day, and when we will try to follow consistency in every situation or every condition, so that is main issue, and that most important. So without follow the consistency, without follow the every single day, we can't become a fluent speaker. For become a fluent speaker, we need practice every single day. So dear, just I want to say you, just start speaking in what is possible for you. And today I will talk with you about our life, and how we are spending our life, and we are spending our life in a desperation. Means today we are not thinking about today, always we are thinking about tomorrow. But just think for a moment. Why? Because this early morning, when you will think about your today, when you will try to make your day most important, or most gratitude and most valuable, so that time everything will be changed. Because for taking action, for working, for improvement, for learning, for anything, today is sufficient. Because when you will use your today, so that time you will learn lot of things. Because your today will decide your future, your today will create your future. When you will take a good action in today, when you will take a good decision today, when you will take a good action today, that time your life will be changed. Because you are just thinking, when I will have a opportunity, when I will have a option, and when I will become a fluent speaker, so that time I will improve my English language, and then I will speak. But dear, listen on things. Because when you will not start today, maybe after 2 months or 2 years, you will not able to do this work again. Because same problem will with you, and same problem will continue with you. For starting, today is best, today is enough. So just start today, just think about today. When you will make your today better, your future automatically will better. But think, when your today is worse and bad, so then you can decide, you can think, okay, maybe I will not find a good result in my future. And second, your same question, okay, how can I start talking? So I also want to give you one demo. because you can say there is a lots of bricks. So start talking about this bricks. Okay, how can I do that? Means ask, okay, what is the price of bricks in your local area? So nowadays the price of bricks are 10 rupees per piece in my local area. But I don't know what is the price of bricks in your area. Second question you can ask, how we use these bricks in our day-to-day life. When we want to make a home and also house, so that time we also use these bricks, and these bricks help us, and these bricks are made by clay. So in this way you can continue your journey, and you can continue speaking. For speaking you have a lot of topic, you have a unlimited topic, and when you will want, then you will find everywhere opportunity for speaking. For speaking you don't need a partner, you don't need any environment, because you are enough. When you will want, so everywhere you can do it. But when you don't want, so never ever you will not will find opportunity for speaking. So everything's depend on you. When you will try, when you will work, and when you will be curious, so then opportunity and also option situation will help you. Don't become the slave of situation, but try to become the slave situation of you. And when you utilize your every situation or every condition, that time you will become success in your life. Otherwise, sometime you have to always face with problem, always you have to struggle with success, because your life is not unlimited, your life is limited. When you will use your life, when you will want to when you will try to work in every situation, then you will see a good life, because you should be happy every single day. You should be feel happiness in everywhere, in every situation. So I hope this video can give you motivation, this video can give you idea how you can become a fluent speaker. So if you think this video is valuable for you, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe our channel.